Warning, this video contains content that's dark and manipulative. It's only for defensive purposes and for entertainment. Viewers' discretion is advised.
You want to know what's better than sex? That's strong chemistry. Even as a guy, I'll give up a woman with a fine ass to get a woman who's decent enough, but me and her have great chemistry. And great chemistry is the ultimate equalizer. It is the one thing that will make you overlook a lot of flaws. But great chemistry is why a lot of you guys and me have fallen for relationships that were not good and that were toxic at the end of the day. Chemistry became the cure. Chemistry became worse than the disease. You know how they say the cure becomes worse than the disease? That's what it is. It's a very addicting thing. So there's a dark side behind chemistry that I want to reveal to you so that you could enjoy it, but that you don't let it completely take you over. Let's begin.
Oh my God, like a bath.
But before we begin, I want to introduce myself. My name is Alex, and I'm a dating coach for men and women who teach you guys how to get the guy either the easy way or the hard way. You see, we don't sugarcoat things. We're not little angels. I'm not like one of your little angel dating coaches, nor do I want little angels who are diluted from reality, who think that the world is pretty roses. So if you're the kind of person, you better get away because you will feel offended. But if you're not, let's begin this journey. And please, make sure to hit the like button, smash that motherfucker, and hit the subscribe button so that you know exactly when my videos are coming up. Let's begin. So the first thing about chemistry is that, for the most part, it is a one-way street a lot of the times. You see? A lot of the times you think you have chemistry with a guy, but in reality, you're the only one that likes him. Chemistry is very, very tricky. Chemistry is a one-way thing a lot of the times. And that's why you feel this strong connection with a guy, right? But this guy does not like you. You have a hard time keeping his interest simply because you feel the chemistry and it is causing you to not see how he feels. Almost like, in a way, see, the reason why this happens is because of projections. You have these intense desires to relive the chemistry you felt with your family and with your parents, right? We want to feel that warmth because chemistry is a good feeling. We want to feel that sense of acceptance, and so we project that upon our partners, hoping that they're going to reciprocate. Almost like you're holding your hands together and you're hoping that they reciprocate. The problem with that is that you will go throughout that whole relationship thinking you guys are having a great time, thinking that he's having a great time with you, thinking that he loves you as much as you love him. But when you have that chemistry that's not two-way, that's not a two-way street, what begins to happen is that you grow very frustrated. You see what I'm saying? You grow very frustrated with the guys that you see. So when you feel this kind of chemistry with a guy, you gotta find a way to remain rational. I talked about it in my Robert Greene book club on Patreon, where we have a chapter in the Laws of Human Nature called there's a chapter called The Law of Irrationality, and in there we talk about how to remain more rational. By the way, I want to thank all of my Patreon supporters right here. You see them right here, all of them here. I want to thank all of them because it is because of them that I improved the camera here. It is because of them that the content in my channel, that I am able to pay for somebody who could edit my videos, for a better camera and all that sort of stuff. So I want to thank all of you guys. You guys better thank them. Thank the Patreon gang. And to all the freeloaders, I still love you guys. Don't worry about it, right? So that's the first one, is that chemistry could be only one way. And so what you got to do is look at the actions. Look at his actions. Focus more on his actions. It'll let you know more about it than how you feel. How you feel is accepted. How you feel could be projections of your unmet needs in the past. So don't focus on that. Let's talk about the next thing about chemistry. Hey, can I get a Butter on the roll, please. Yeah, thank you. The next thing about chemistry is that it causes you to miss out on red flags, right? So it's kind of like everybody will see his red flags. Everybody will see how toxic he is. Everybody will notice that this guy's mistreating you. But heck, even you will be cheated on. But because that dick is so good, because that connection you guys have is so good, because he looks so genuine when he talks to you, you fail to notice all of the red flags. So that's why when you have this chemistry with a guy or a girl, I'm not gonna judge you, right? When you have this kind of chemistry with a guy or a girl, what you gotta do is find a way to remain rational. Take the opinions of your friends a little bit more seriously. You know, consistently ask yourself, maybe I'm wrong. And the reason why I want you to do that is because you could be wrong. So what you gotta do is consistently ask yourself, maybe I'm wrong about this, you know? Because the likelihood of you being wrong is not that it's really high. Excuse me, sir. Thank you very much. It's not that it's really high, but you could be wrong. You know, so it's kind of like focus more on the actions itself, like I always tell you guys, right? Focus more on the action itself. And that's how it is, man. Be careful with the chemistry, because if you feel that chemistry, be more alert for red signs. Because when you feel that chemistry, you assume that the red flags are good flags. You assume that the red flags are part of his court. Remain objective, you know, remain as objective as possible. So let's talk about the next one.
Now, one thing I want to add is that chemistry is not something that you could create on your own. It's either there or it's not. It's like a seed. Either the seed is there, or it's a seed that's crippled. You know, it's either gonna grow completely because it's a good seed, or it's either gonna grow in a bad way. In other words, some people you're gonna have chemistry with, some people you're not. It's almost like a matter of luck. It's almost like your chemical in your body, an accumulation of so many different things. I have no idea what that is. Come together to create what we call chemistry. You see? So it's you can't force it. You either find somebody who you have chemistry or you don't. But what you can do is hold on to the people who you have chemistry. There's a lot of people who you have chemistry. You just have to be willing to accept the good ones and the bad ones and let go of anybody who you have good chemistry that's toxic for you, even if it means being alone. Because there's a lot of people who you would have chemistry with. You just have to put yourself out there. You have to trust in your humanity that you will find somebody who you like and who they like you back, and you have chemistry, as long as you don't fuck it up.
Another thing about chemistry is that chemistry does not equal compatibility. When I say is this, man, is that at the end of the day, compatibility is more important than chemistry. Compatibility is what keeps things healthy. Compatibility is what allows you to live together, not fight together, to have kids together and to raise them accordingly, right? Compatibility makes things work. It's structure. Compatibility is all about structure. The structure comes before everything else. I don't care how nice the house looks. I don't care how close the house is to your apartment, to your mama's house, to your sister's house. I don't give a fuck. But if the house doesn't have a good foundation, if the house has bad plumbing, if the house is not stable, that could fall one day, it's not gonna work, right? You can't let the pleasure override the necessities. You know, because chemistry could be seen as just as a pleasurable thing. So you gotta assess, are you guys compatible, right? Does he want what you want, right? Sometimes you're with a guy and he doesn't want a relationship like you want it. Sometimes you're with a guy and he has a girlfriend and you're the side chick. That's not compatible. You guys have chemistry, but you're the side chick. Sometimes you have a relationship with a guy and he has a small dick and you want a big dick. That's okay, girl. You want that big dick, go get that big dick. But he has a small dick. Sometimes you're with a guy and he doesn't speak your language, or his family or the culture that he's in doesn't like you. Sometimes he's abusive. Sometimes he's a narcissist. The point is that chemistry isn't everything. Sometimes there are some people who should not be together. He's in Africa. You're in fucking Asia. You should not be together. It's incompatible. You guys live 5,000 miles away. You guys are not compatible. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Some of you guys are hard-headed. You know, some of you guys want to make things work out of necessity. Relax, calm the fuck down, relax, keep watching my channel, comment, and just take your time. You have my channel, girl. You have my channel. You have my channel. You're gonna find somebody that likes you. You don't have to worry about that. You have my channel. Trust me. You gotta relax. You know, you gotta relax. You have these strategies now. You will find someone, one way or the other. As long as you embrace your dark side. As long as you allow your dark side to come out from time to time. As long as you allow yourself to be mean from time to time. You will find somebody. That I can promise you. Undeniably, without a shadow of a doubt. You just have to relax. If you're just holding on to that person who you had chemistry with, you know, he's the only person that I like, Alexis, shut the fuck up, okay? You're gonna find somebody who you like, trust me. You just have to relax. They will come to you, all right? Calm down, girl, all right? All right, guys, thank you for all you guys for the support. I truly love making these videos. I love every single one of my channel followers, to all the freeloaders, the Patreon gang, the people who purchase my courses, the people who come to my seminars, the people who work with me one-on-one, the people who ask for refunds, which is like 5 or 10 or something like that. Every single you motherfuckers, man, I show a lot of love. I just want you guys to embrace your shadows. Don't be this fucking angel. Be who you are. Be your original self. And I hope you guys have a good day. Peace out.
All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is natural chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine natural chemistry. No more short-term partners, no more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this 3rd week, setting boundaries. We go over the 3rd week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, 4th week. 5th week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses, my Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are 1, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup form. Breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything, the laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're gonna love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now. All right. I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.